What could be better than tea with some honey? What? Where did all the honey go?
I took it! Hey, Susie!
What's with the outfit?
This is a beekeeper's hazmat suit. I'm headed to the backyard where we're going to have an apiary.
Well then, what is all this for?
How? I'll quickly put up a hive or two. Put honey as bait and the bees will come.
Sammy, no one builds up an apiary from some improvised props. It's a whole science.
Really? How come I didn't think of that? Then, we need to urgently study this issue. You will help me, right?
Only if you help me make something sweet to have tea with. Come on!
Done deal!
Hi guys! I hope you're in the mood for a cake today.
Oh yes, Susie, I'm ready! Tell me what you need. Some flour for starters?
Actually, we won't be baking today at all.
Huh?
Would you try and guess what I have here?
Let me see. I think it is… Shiver me cheddars! Is it jelly powder?
It is! We're going to make an all-jello tasty cake inspired by your new bee hobby. But first things first, we need to properly dissolve our jelly powder in hot water.
Holy cannoli! My mouth is already watering.
Be patient, Sammy, and you guys get ready to work out your wrist. Stir, stir. Working with Jell-O can be kinda tricky, but the result is totally worth your efforts.
Right! Remember our aquarium jelly cake with fish and pebbles made of Jell-O? It was so fun!
All right, guys, our mixture is ready. Don't forget to add some sugar to it, or your cake won't be sweet. Now let's divide it into smaller portions so that it would be more comfortable to color it.
Oh, that's my favorite moment!
I said that we should color our Jell-O!
Oopsie! Sorry, Sue. I got distracted a bit. Here you go.
Thank you! Sammy, I thought you were going to study bees closely while we're cooking.
And I've already started. Want to know some fun facts?
Sure, bring it on!
Let me just change my outfit. Let's get started! The science that studies honeybees is called apiology. And people have been breeding these fantastic creatures for thousands of years.
Bees have 5 tiny eyes, yet somehow they can't distinguish the red color.
They also have an ear for music and buzz differently depending on their mood. Hey, Sue, guess what I'm saying? Buzz, 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 buzz.
Are you trying to find out what is going to be next?
Bingo! I mean, buzzingo!
Well, we are gonna need this. Let's pour our colorful Jell-O inside a syringe like this. As you might have guessed, we'll use different syringes for each color, guys. Here we go.
Uh-oh, I see where this is going. Hide, everyone! Whoa!
Calm down, Sammy. We're simply gonna use our syringes to make cute little Jell-O bees with the help of this mold.
Holy cannoli! Those mold producers can make anything from silicone, huh?
Let's start with the white Jell-O to define the little wings first. Don't rush at this stage, guys. Work neatly. Next comes black color. Just don't forget that black bee stripes should alternate with the yellow ones.
Uh-huh, and the bee's head should also be black.
Okay, when the first batch of Jell-O sets a bit, we'll use some yellow to fill our bee up to the top, like this. It's not hard at all.
Guys, I'm not allowed to work with sharp objects, so why don't we watch together how Susie does that?
Now I'm gonna leave this in the fridge until the Jell-O becomes firm enough. I'll be right back.
Oh, a hot tub! Nothing can be better than relaxing in hot water.
Where are you heading to, mister?
Oopsie!
We need this to make more Jell-O.
But Sue, the bees are chilling in the fridge. Can't we also take a break?
Huh, I thought you'd rather have a cake. Whoosh! Guys, this Jell-O mixture is already familiar to you. We are going to make a few honeycombs now, so this time let's color it orange.
In order to get a rich orange color, you may dissolve your Jell-O powder in carrot juice.
Oh guys, look! Sammy-O Slimy-Oni is here!
Well, of course. Who else would teach you to cut your Jell-O nicely? Everybody knows that honeycombs have a shape of a hexagon.
Do you mean like this?
Shiver me jaggers! I didn't know that we had such
I
a mood!
believe your alter ego missed this one.
I'd better go check those jello bees in the fridge.
In the meantime, guys, let's fill our honeycombs up. Here we go. As always, try to work neatly. Oop! Now we'll get some more jello into the syringe.
Wow, that looks so fun! Am I right, guys? Can I also try doing that, Susie?
You didn't have to ask.
Ha-ha! Alrighty, and push. Oh, ha-ha, me like it! Actually, I can do that faster! Voila!
Well done, Sammy. Now could you please be so kind to take all this beauty to the fridge? And I'm dying to see how our little jello bees turned out. Okay, let's see. We'll do this and… Guys, would you just look at these little cuties? They are adorable!
Let me see, let me see!
Whoa, guys, did you see that? Now we have a lot of bees here.
I didn't know that thing was magical! Ha-ha, thank you!
Well, Sammy, you'd better keep an eye on it, or we'll have jello bees everywhere.
Those look so delicious. If I could only try. Ta-da-ta-da. Ah!
Oh, come on, Sammy. Can't you wait just a little bit? We're at the finishing line already. Although I must admit, these tiny hexagons do look like real tasty honeycombs. Oh. Would you just look at all this?
Hurry up, Sue, while we are still able to keep ourselves together.
You're right. Let's get it done. Guys, this is pretty simple. We are going to place these pieces onto the bottom of a baking pan, trying to leave equal space between them. You should get something like this.
There is a big space left here. What will we do about that?
We can always make some adjustments. Hup! There you go. You see? Problem solved.
Here's the last one! Easy, easy. Okay, it's all done, Sue!
Excellent. Now guys, this is gonna be hot in here. We need to pour a huge portion of hot jello mixture all the way through the baking pan. Be very careful at this stage, or better ask an adult to help you.
That is quite an amount of jello we are using today!
You don't say, Sammy.
Guys, give us a thumbs up if you like jello as much as we do!
All right, all we've left to do now is wait a few hours until this cools down and sets.
Buzz.
Or we could use some video editing magic. Whoosh! Let's see. Yup, perfect. For this, you should defo ask an adult to help you guys. Here we go. Huh? And basically our cake is ready.
Holy cannoli! It's perfect! Oh, I'm in heaven!
Let's not forget about the beehive's dwellers. Here you go, little one. Oh, you want to be on our cake too? Come on, guys, get in line.
Guys, let's give Susie a few seconds to play and then we'll check out our cake!
Sammy, this tea smells amazing. What is this?
That's my secret, honey! I meant to say slimy recipe, Sue! Better tell me one thing. Are we going to taste this or not,
Okay, my very impatient friend. Oh, guys, I wish you were here to see and taste all this.
Give me that!
There you go.
Yippee!
So, Sammy, tell me, where do you stand on that? beehive in the backyard thing.
Nom, nom. Right now, I'm staring next to this magnificent jello cake, and it's more than enough for me. Nom, nom.
I see. And thank Tibidaba for that. Guys, give us a thumbs up if you like this episode and subscribe if this cake looks delicious to you.
See you very